I feel like I have lost connections, passions, and motivations in my work and career. When I dowsed with the chart, it's pointed to Numb. What does this mean and how can I clear it? John from UK. Hi everyone. Today I want to address a very real and common experience, feeling numb in your work and career. This is exactly what John from UK is going through. He shared that he feels like he has lost connections, passions, and motivations in his work. When he dowsed with the charts, the answers pointed to numb. So what does it really mean when we feel numb at work? And more importantly, how do we clear it? John's deeper question is this: what in my 4-body system is causing me to lose passions and motivations in my work and career? And how can I reclaim it? So I tuned in and asked his higher self and spirit, what are the elements in John's 4 bodies that are creating this numbness? Here's what came through. Emotional body blocks to excitement, lead to numbness, lead to letdown, lead to giving up. Spiritual body break energy ties with issues and persons. Mental body attached to drama. Physical body try to change someone else. Emotional body, in John's emotional body, there's a block to excitement. Instead of feeling joy or enthusiasm, his emotions shut down into numbness. This numbness eventually turned into feelings of being let down and then into a pattern of giving up. This cycle disconnects him from his career on an emotional level. Even if the work is okay on the surface, emotionally he just can't connect. On a spiritual level, John still has energetic ties with certain issues and people. These could be linked to colleagues in his current workplace or unresolved relationship from the past. These ties act like invisible cords that drain his energy and inspirations. Until those cords are cut, it will be difficult for him to move forward with fresh passions in his career. Mental body. Mentally, John is still attached to drama that might look like workplace politics, conflicts, or constantly replaying stressful stories in his mind. This mental looping keeps his attention hooked on negativity instead of allowing his mind to focus on growth, creativity, and purpose. On the physical level, John is spending too much energy trying to change other people, their attitudes, behaviors, or ways of working. This is a trap many of us fall into. The truth is, you can't change someone else. And when your physical energy is tied up in trying to control others, it leaves you drained, with very little left to invest in your own growth and passions. So John, instead of trying to change your colleagues, is more empowering to redirect that energy back into yourself. So here's the insights. John's lost passions and motivation is not just about his job itself. It's actually the result of imbalances across all 4 bodies. His emotion shut down into numbness. His spirit is tangled in old energy ties. His mind is hooked on drama. His body is drained by trying to change others. Unless these patterns are addressed as a whole, the problem will keep repeating. That's why it's so important to take a bird's eye view of the 4 body systems. Clearing just one layer might giving temporary relief, but lasting change only comes when we align and heal all 4. So John, this is your BodyMaitre 4 bodies reading for your career change, for your career challenge. The good news is once you clear these patterns, you will naturally reconnect with your excitement, passions, and motivation at work. That's all for today's video. Until next time, remember you are the creator of your own passions.